Founded and established by Robert G. Cheng and Natividad Y. Cheng, the Filipino-owned company grew from its first factory, the Polyphone Chemical Corporation, into 25 factories and showrooms nationwide. Since its inception in 1968, the home of Filipino global brands continuously offers world-class products catering to various industries. Roberts Automotive and Industrial Parts Manufacturing Corporation is one of the biggest manufacturers in the industry that feature integrated production of automotive and industrial parts and other metal products. Since its establishment in 1992, Roberts AIPMC has been dedicated to making it to the top of product development, customer and individual recognition, and original equipment manufacturer or OEM products. For more than 30 years, Roberts AIPMC has proven to be dependable and efficient, with a team that continuously realizes the company's vision and goals of automotive assemblers. It innovates and develops its products and services.
Our high-tech manufacturing capabilities have improved our production capacity, efficiency, and system.
Situated in the sprawling industrial zone in Cabuyao, Laguna, Roberts AIPMC has built a good name for steady progress in the industry that started in the Philippines as early as 1970. It works hard to meet and exceed customer needs and expectations through world-class OEM standard products and services. It develops essential resources and workforce and conducts research and development to maintain technical superiority over its competitors. Roberts AIPMC is equipped with complete and top-of-the-line machinery intended for the manufacture of radiators, leaf springs, mufflers, metal stamping, steel tubes, and other metal products. With this, Roberts AIPMC achieved an overall efficiency and productivity rate of 95%. Roberts AIPMC is also a globally competitive company. It has served countries in the Middle East, Southeast Asia, Europe, and the USA in previous years, and continuously exporting 120,000 units per year.
We take pride on our manufacturing capabilities because we can offer top-notch products to our major clients like Japanese automakers.
When it comes to quality and trustworthiness, over the decades, Roberts AIPMC has achieved a customer satisfaction rate of 96.5% and an order fulfillment rate of 99.6%. Despite the challenges brought about by the COVID-19 pandemic, Roberts AIPMC broke barriers and obtained multiple awards last year, including Supplier of the Year from the APS Export Customer USA, Superior Quality Performance from Toyota Motors, and Cost Excellence Award and Delivery Excellence Award from Mitsubishi Motors. It has successfully acquired certifications from ISO 9001 QMS and ISO 14001 EMS. These recognitions prove that Roberts AIPMC is committed to delivering the best and the finest, supported by positive feedback and awards from its clientele.
We pay attention to details and listen to our customers. This is our way of understanding customers effectively.
Roberts AIPMC promotes a winning culture of excellence. It has provided different trainings and seminars to employees that help them thrive. This includes technical training in automation, robotics, and lean manufacturing. Roberts AIPMC ascertains to provide safety training to its workforce, including safety and health seminars, disaster preparedness and response drills, and orientations. Roberts AIPMC is also a socially responsible organization. Due to its energy-saving solar rooftops, the Roberts AIPMC can save 5% of its total energy consumption in the past years. Roberts AIPMC also gave back to the environment by planting trees and herbaceous plants covering more than 1,200 square meters of land area. Sustainability projects also include waste management that enables the recycling of 3 tons of waste per month. With the promise of customer satisfaction, cost competitiveness, fair pricing, and on-time delivery, Roberts AIPMC truly is one of the pioneers of the automotive assembly industry of the Philippines.